Hi, this is your Houston Chiropractor and your Houston Chiropractor's wife, Renae, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas, of course. And we've got our brand new table here, and I wanted to do a YouTube video with Renae as the very first one getting her adjustment on here today. So we're going to adjust her on this table with three-dimensional biophysics from head to toe. So let's go ahead and lay on you. Tell me for me first, honey. Yeah, take them off. Take the pants off too.
I wouldn't want that.
Just joking.
Okay.
Keep the comments nice. You know
Oh, this is soft.
Yep. So since I said head to toe, see, I just adjusted her foot right there, which she's been needing. But she got a right leg that's short by about a ½ an inch here, and it gets even up here, and that tightens up in her lower back. And you'll notice this table has multiple areas of drop, and I can control those with the buttons over here. This is a air drop table made by Hill Laboratories. It's a very sophisticated piece of equipment. So I have air, the pelvic piece, the lumbar piece, and the thoracic piece for drop work. So I'm going to adjust her right SI joint first. Perfect. Feel the difference in that drop quality?
Yeah.
Much more solid, huh?
Yeah.
Perfect. There. The whole premise behind doing drop work, and that's Thompson BioPhysics, is that once you get an object in motion, it will tend to stay in that motion. That's the physics of it, and the biology of physics is what biophysics is. Dr. Daniel Murphy coined that term, along with Dr. Don Harrison way back in the 70s. Dr. Daniel Murphy's been my mentor in chiropractic. Okay, so I'm going to put your head forward here just a little bit. You can see we can put the head forward at angles. Yep, scoot up in there.
There?
Uh-huh. Perfect. You crack addicts love Renae's adjustments. Okay, so now I'm going to take away the drop pieces down in the pelvis and just use the cervical drop piece. So you can see it raises up the cervical piece. And I'm getting right on C2, C3 right now. And I'm adjusting it down, and the table drops down and forward, which is exactly the facet angle as well. Been a while since you had that, huh? Now that's C5, C6. And right there at T1, T2, that'll help bring the whole head back. So let's go ahead and turn you on your back now, please, honey.
That was actually a lot better in that area.
Yes.
I thought it was my worst area.
Okay. Go ahead and lay back, have your shoulders there, head there. No, you're good. Go ahead and put your arms out like this. You'll hear Renae and I cutting up a lot. We just always have a good time playing with each other. There we go. So now I'm grabbing her zygomatic process. This is an adjustment where I'm pulling the head superiorly, but I'm also putting a little bit of a backwards rotation on it to improve the cervical lordosis. And this is one great way of restoring the normal cervical curve. Good. And there we go. Now I'm going to adjust her slide down just a little bit. There you go. Put your arms out to the side still.
Okay. Am I down lower enough?
Yeah, I was just cocking some different pieces here now. Okay. There. See, these drop a lot more significantly. Probably need to loosen this up a little bit for you. You're not near as heavy as some of our male patients we've been adjusting. So I'm adjusting her anterior rib cage right now.
Oh,
She's kind of whiny sometimes.
oh gosh.
Keep breathing. There you go.
Oh.
Okay, take a deep breath in. Sometimes she gets a little bit of acid reflux too, so I'm gonna pull her tummy down today too. I keep stepping on the drop piece thing there. That's what's making all the noise. That's not Renee's gas. Okay, maybe that was. There we go. This is a lot deeper in person than what it looks like on YouTube. Okay, so we still got her cervical spine. Perfect. Crack addicts just love Renae. That'll be a good one for our Crack Addicts International clan. See, we can get her all the way down into her toes. You can hear the table air compressor filling the drop pieces all up again. Okay. There we go. Good. Fill that all the way up?
Yeah.
Yep. Very good. Okay, let's set you up and face toward Joseph. Okay. Now her shoulders always drop about a foot out of the socket through the week. Oh yeah. So she does great on these shoulder adjustments. There we go. Good. That's it. There we go.
Yeah, we haven't had time. I haven't had one for almost.
Well, we've been so busy this week, we haven't even had time to shoot video this week. So we're actually here by ourselves right now. Joseph, Renae, and I. I'm going to adjust Joseph next, and Renee's going to video that. So he's going to be the second one getting it. There we go, right there. Very good. Okay, let's stand up here and shoot you now. See, patient's been doing that all day too, stepping on it and popping it up.
Yeah, was that okay?
Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. Yep. Very good. Back and a little bit left, and then shift your pelvis right. There you go.
Right?
Yep, just like that. Okay. Right there. Okay, now relax. And again. That should feel a lot smoother this time.
Yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Yep, now take a look at her posture now. Her head's up and back over her shoulders. Her shoulders are squared off. Her hands are at her side. Equal spacing here in her pelvis. Stand up straight there, honey.
Yay!
This is your Houston chiropractor and Renae coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And Joseph's up next. See you next time.